Okay.
Real
Thank
life clinic.
Hi.
Olosway.
A new health approach.
Welcome to the Olosway podcast. Today we have the Health Explorer.
Yeah.
Let's go. Welcome to the podcast, or welcome to us actually into your kingdom. Looks
Yes.
amazing.
Thank you very much.
We are excited to see what is about to going on today.
Okay.
So, why Health Explorer?
As a young athlete,
Right.
I understood that in order to become better and professional,
Right.
you pay a cost, right?
Yeah.
Let's say that professional athletes get injured a lot, right? So you might say, well, sport is not healthy, okay? But if you find good balance, then you will have the benefits of sports, okay?
Yes, totally.
Great. So I understood that as a tennis player, what are the costs that you pay physically and mentally when you practice professional sports?
Right.
And then as I started my journey as a therapist, so I started studying manual therapies, shiatsu and tuina, which are Japanese and Chinese manual therapies.
Right.
And then I went on to study Chinese medicine, and I chose to practice pain management, orthopedic disorders, and sports injuries, and dedicate my career to this area, the pain management and sports injuries.
Right.
Okay? With my experience, I always explore health possibilities. So you have a lot of activities that can benefit your body and mind. Yoga, Pilates, boxing, CrossFit, anything that can make a good impact on your mind and your body. And then you have all these amazing possibilities of achieving balance. These therapies from the East, from the West. So if you talk about Chinese medicine, right? You got acupuncture, you got nutrition, you got Tai Chi, Qigong, you have shiatsu, tuina, you have millions of possibilities. When I arrived to Thailand, I decided to become the Health Explorer and meet all kind of therapists, instructors, and just experience their work and see what has good impact on me, what makes me feel good, and share it with the public. So I created this YouTube channel that is called The Health Explorer, where I meet all these therapists, instructors, and just experience their work.
YouTube channel, your YouTube channel, right?
Yeah.
Go for
The
it.
Health Explorer
Really nice. I
channel
saw the
on
review.
YouTube. At the end of our session, you will feel better. My name is Eyal, and I'm the Health Explorer.
Full name.
Yes.
How many years you have been working in this industry?
So I started my journey in the year of 2000.
Right.
Yeah. And after like 1 year of studying shiatsu, I just began to practice and practice
Right
and
away.
practice and practice. Yeah, of course.
exactly. That's where
Yeah.
you get the real experience.
Yeah.
You get to know the art, because
Yeah.
it's an art at the end of the day, right?
Yes. So it's been like 22 years of exploring health and well-being.
Before you talk about two different ways or two different systems from two different traditions, or maybe the same system, two different traditions, right? You say Japanese and Chinese.
Yeah.
What's the main difference, and which one, for your point of view, could be the best one or the best fit to what you know?
Or here's the thing, there is no best one. It's really related to the experience a therapist has and his ability to connect with his patient. Because at the end of the day, it's about trust and connection and good experience.
Here for helping you to discover a new health approach. The good and the bad wellness manias.